learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The hilly terrain in Tofan Miaoli is perfect for Dongfang Meiren tea, Oriental beauty tea. Located in a Maoist mountain range with ample sun and very little pollution, it's the best area for this aromatic tea to take root. The green tea leafhopper works its magic by biting the leaves, and a chemical reaction takes place, which gives the tea its distinct sweet aroma and flavor. Legend has it that the tea got its name from Queen Victoria. The Queen loved the tea so much and believed that the women in Eastern paintings got their beauty from drinking it, therefore naming it Oriental Beauty Tea.
Hey everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係林十少。
哎呀 ，Joseph， 你在喝什麼東西啊
？Yes， 我是 Joseph Lin， 在喝我好喝的烏龍茶。
哎呀，烏龍茶不錯啦，但是我有更好的喲。啊，
真的嗎？
怎麼樣？想不想喝喝看呢？
什麼茶嗎？
台灣的碰風茶。
Oh, that's right. We've talked about this. Okay, I was just taking an afternoon tea break right here, and I'm drinking my oolong tea. But Leo is saying, "Hey, why don't you drink something more special? The 碰風茶。哎，據我所知，苗栗頭份嘛，這邊盛產碰風茶。
沒錯。
Perfect. Let's talk about this tea. 再講一次怎麼說？
碰風茶。
碰風茶，而且我記得了。它又命名為東方美人茶。
哎，對，東方明影茶。
東方明影茶。
當年他們就是這種茶在出產的時候呢，因為它被一種小蟲給咬過了，大家都覺得說這種茶做出來怎麼會好喝呢？沒想到那個日本人非常的愛喝，所以呢就這樣子一炮而紅了，
紅到國外去了。
是的，
Right. We've talked about this story before, but it's very interesting, you know, because originally when they discovered this tea, basically the tea leaves were all bitten by worms, and no one thought that could sell, and that's not going to taste any good. But instead, it tastes even better, and it became a hit, even internationally. And it was from England. 我记得好像是英国那边的商人呢，给了这个女王，
对，女王太爱喝了。
A title given by a queen in England, Victoria. All right, let's review some of these terms. Okay, 我们再次带大家到苗栗头份，
苗栗头份，
苗栗头份 and it's the 碰風茶。
碰風茶
the name of the tea, and it's also known as, aka, the Beauty Oriental Tea.
東方明影茶
東方明影茶 That's it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.